Hello world, Wendy from Cali here with a Color Street Color Play sub-box unboxing. This is the March 2024 Dolce Vita color play box, and we're gonna unbox it. Unlike the last one in my little Facebook chat group that has subscribed to the color play box from Shannon Paetzel that got her box. So I'm way behind everybody else. But if you haven't gotten your box yet and you don't want to be surprised, I mean, you do want to be surprised, you might want to turn this off and come back when you get your box. Otherwise, if you want to be surprised like me, because I haven't seen any spoilers, I've been avoiding Facebook and avoiding YouTube since pretty much everybody's got their box. If you're in that boat where you are trying to avoid spoilers, then click back later. Otherwise, let's see what's inside, huh? Alright, I really do love the colors. I love the citrus, and I'm hoping that we get these vibes, but we shall see. So let's do this. Let's open this up, and I'm gonna look at this pamphlet last, and gonna flip these over. We've got our nail prep pad. There's typically a file in here somewhere. Here it is. File. And this is the free gift that has come. Hot Shot lipstick. Wait, this is a mini, or is this a real, like, full-on lipstick size? Hold up, wait a minute. That is a full size. Oh my gosh. This is a, what, $22 value? Hot Shot here. I think I already own Hot Shot. See? I own Hot Shot. Whoa, but they're actually giving a whole freaking lipstick in the sub box? I love that. So this is going to be a gift. Let me think who would want this color though out of my family members. I'm thinking my sister-in-law Carla. She's a Color Street stylist, by the way, but she's a single mom with her kids, and she doesn't really spend much on herself. So I'm gonna give this to her and see if she likes that color, because I'm pretty sure it's not a color my sister Michelle would wear, and my sister-in-law Abby is not really that big on colorful makeup, so I'm thinking Carla. So I'm going to save that for her because I already own it. So that's cool. Alright, had I not owned most of the Color Street lipsticks, that would have been really exciting for me. But yeah, that's already something I got. So it's all good. Alright, here we go. Terrace for 2 is the first. What is this? Whoa. What is that? Why does that look like something I've already seen before? This is not a surprising color to me, which, I don't know, it makes me kind of sad. But I can't think of anything that looks exactly like it, so, like, it makes me think of Rustworthy. Is Rustworthy? I don't even have anything to compare it to, so I can't really tell you, but that's what it reminds me of. It's like a peachy, orangey, rusty looking color, which I guess that'll be okay. Look at how bad my nails have gotten already. I'll show you guys this real quick. I know I'm doing an unboxing, but I'm getting really distracted. We had our in-office St. Patrick's Day lunch today with some corned beef and cabbage, and all of that, and we played a Jeopardy style game on Teams, and I was dressed in green and I had my green nails, but these are ready to go. So I probably will use the sub box just for a change. So maybe a video on using the sub box sets will follow this video. But anyways, back to the unboxing. Capri Baby is the next. Oh, I love this. I love this, and the color contrast is pretty interesting. Let's see how I'm gonna make it work. But I do like that it's the dual tip, French tip right here. So that's gonna be fun to do. I'm gonna need some time to think about. And that also kind of fits in with one in green. Buddha, you're gonna have to wait. Sorry, videotaping this live, and my dog is being a dummy. So here we go. Capri Baby. I like Capri Baby. I don't know what to think about Terrace for 2, but I will give you my final thoughts after. Grapefruit Frost. Is that how you pronounce that? Frost. I don't know. Oh, I love this. I wonder if that's a jelly. I love that color. Yes, that's a better color contrast than that one. I don't know how I'm going to use all of these sets together. I might not do it this time because everything's looking not cohesive to me. But I would love to see what my other Color Street fans and Color Street stylists think about their sub boxes. Bikini Bella. Oh, I love this! Yes! I love that whole nautical vibe. And I realize my music is like way too loud because I'm shouting over it. So let's tune the music down a little bit. But, oh, Bikini Bella is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. I love the color and then the glitter. Like, I don't think I've seen Color Street with anything that looks like this yet. So I would typically like try to mimic this look with Between the Lines, which is a black clear overlay. But you don't have that color overlay, which this, I love that nautical vibe there. Very beachy. Awesome. The last one is Citrus Spritz. Citrus Spritz. Ah, just like the cover. I was kind of hoping for that. And this is awesome. Yeah, not everyone likes wearing fruit on their nails, but I secretly like it. It's one of those summery things that's just awesome. This box feels very summery and not spring, so I don't know why it's coming out in March. So I don't know how I'm going to incorporate all of these together, but seeing Terrace for 2 along with this Citrus Spritz looks like they might go together. So I'm going to have to think of something where maybe it's an accent nail, or I don't know. I'll have to think about it. So I probably won't do a mixed mani with my color play box today, but I'm going to sit on it and think about it and figure out what I will do. But I do want to try to incorporate all of the sets somehow. So yeah, let me think on that. But if you don't do that, if you get this sub box just so you can have like different manis, all of these sets by themselves would make really awesome like manicures, not having to do a mixed mani. So I would totally wear that one by itself, or combine these two and overlay this. If this is truly a jelly and it's like translucent, I would layer it over this just to see what that orange and that blue, like what that would turn to. And then this one I would totally wear by itself. This one you could totally wear by itself. This one you could totally wear by itself. And this one you could totally wear it by itself. So you know what? Value-wise, I think this box is awesome because they are all full sets and a lipstick. What? What? That's unheard of. That's Color Street, keep doing this because you're coming out with more makeup and I want to see makeup in the boxes. Not a popular opinion, I know, but for me, it is. But my sister-in-law Carla's a Color Street stylist and got like first access before the public gets it for the gel eyeliners, which of course I get to help her test them, and so I will give you guys my thoughts when Color Street actually releases their gel eyeliners. But here is the pamphlet, La Dolce Vita. Oh, that's just so pretty. That is pretty. Alright, in this month's box, retreat to the Italian seaside with Color Play's La Dolce Vita. This box features sun-kissed shimmer and sweet glitter solids, a citrusy frost, a clear and azure striped glitter, and serene dual-ended French tips evoking Mediterranean coastal beauty. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design for the picture-perfect manicure. Bonus item, beautify your lips with one of 2 lipstick shades that evoke a stunning Positano sunset. Wait. What do you mean one of 2? What do you mean one of 2 lipsticks? What's the other one? Those of you that subscribe to Color Play, tell me what color you got, because tradesies, oh my gosh, like if it's a color I don't have, I totally want to trade with someone so that I can have one that I don't have. Or I'll just give it to my sister-in-law Carla, which I originally said, so I might just do that. But seriously, what is the other color? Okay, sorry, I gotta move on. Move on. Meet the strips. Capri, baby, is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, dual-ended French shimmer design. Capture Capri's crystalline waters on your nails with these wavy powder blue dual-ended French tips. Terrace for 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a shimmer. Book a Terrace for 2 with this bronze flash cerise pink. Boodash! Sorry, folks. And then Bikini Bella, and I apologize if I'm mispronouncing words, but yeah. When I was young, when I first started learning to read, I pronounced island, Island, and everybody laughed. All the kids laughed at me, and I was so embarrassed. But literally, I-S-L-A-N-D, come on, that is Island. Even though I know it's island. Anyways, okay, back to the unboxing. Bikini Bella, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a glitter design. Sunbathe in Sicily with this clear and azure striped glitter. And then Citrus Spritz is 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It's a frosted design. And stroll through Sorrento's lemon groves wearing this white frost with a refreshing design. But aren't those oranges? Shouldn't they say orange groves? But they're saying lemon groves. How confusing. And then Grapefruit Frost. 1 order of Grapefruit Frost. Oh, it's a 2 sheets, 8-finger strips, glitter. Indulge in this peach shade with holographic glitter. So maybe it's not a jelly because it's just saying it's a peach shade. But that's cute. Not as cute as this one, though. I feel like this one's really super cute. And then here's some other designs. So share with us. Share your breathtaking manicure on social media and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your creativity, which I still forget to do that like all the time. I don't remember to share, but here are the manis. Some options that Color Street has provided. And yeah, overall, I'm really digging this box. I don't know if I'll be able to figure out how to incorporate all 5 of these together, but I'm going to try. That's going to be the challenge. So watch for that. if you are waiting to see what I do with that. It will come before the end of March for sure. But that's it. So comment below if you got a box, and I would love to know your thoughts on the box. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Were you surprised? And yeah, if you got a different color lipstick than Hot Shot, please let me know what you got, because I'm totally curious now. All right, that's it, folks. I just got my last item I needed to make a sourdough starter. So I am going to sign off and start that sourdough starter and make some bread, sourdough bread, in about a week. Until then, I will see you all next time. Apologize for the icky, dirty nails that are like on its way out. But I love this set. This is my unicorn set. But until next time, peace.